Pop, and so today we're gonna be playing a chicken gun. So yeah, I actually am playing with my mom's mobile, so I don't have Free Fire and stuff. So yep, maybe we can just play like guys servers and a team fight. Yeah, try to join that. No, about this. Okay, it's free mode. Just leave it. Who cares? Hello, you locked in there, buddy? Guys. Oh my god, that's so much people, but I'm just clapping them. Hello? You there, bro? Okay. Ole? Oh. Oh. I'm not leaving. Oh. I'm dead, actually. Yo. Yes, there we go. No, come on. Oh, clapped them. It's too bad. Hello, bro. Oh, please. Yo, I never knew that. Okay, yes. I don't know, like, I just wanna. Oh, shoot. Nah, guys, totally. Yo, this is too, uh, too much people, yo. Can't do anything. Thing. Okay, hello? Oh, sorry, that was bad. Oh, okay. Hello. That was so cool. I'm having like probably more than 30. I don't know. I have no idea. I just slapped it with the no flying thing. I don't know what that's called. Okay, that. You know? Wait. Oh my god, where is it? Oh my god. Where are you sniping? Oh, they're not sniping, bro. Just clapped you because I had no thing. Guys, you might actually, what do you say? Like, you guys might have other sounds in this video, like, because I'm outside and I'm just, jackpack feeling cool. Right? It's so sick. Totally. Okay, guys, oh, yeah, I just see a kid. Hello. Okay, that's a bad idea. Why am I shooting? That's bad. Oh, almost. Almost. Oh no. Please, just keep it. Wait, shoot. Over, guys, come on. What is this kid doing? Yes, kick this kid. Uh, I didn't know. Plus, I don't even know like if they're actually kids. Bro, actually, this game is for kids, like 7 years old. 7 years old gun games, probably. I would say, cause it is like it. Totally. Okay, guys, okay, this is like the annoying video, but I'm just posting this video because I can post one, I don't know, but I'll try to post another video in my home, but I don't post this one because, yeah, if I don't, if I can't record it, then I'm dead. So, I mean, I'm not dead, but like, I don't, upload it, then, yeah. So, well, what? This guy is actually... Where's this guy even though? Okay. Yeah, guys, as I told you, it's just gonna be a short video. Yeah, I'm just gonna end it now. Right now, so. Yes, bye-bye, guys. Wait, sorry. Oh, bruh, come on. Yeah, bye-bye, guys.